Welcome back to David and Nathan Nature Videos! Today we're visiting the waterfalls. Isn't that cool, Nathan? Yeah, that's super cool, David. Look at that waterfall up ahead, Nathan. Come on, let's go see the waterfall. It's not far from here. David, we've been going up here for hours. It's not much further, Nathan. See anything, Nathan? Yeah, I see the waterfall. It's not much further ahead. Let's go. Whoa! 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 I want to climb it. I want to climb it. David, I don't really think we should climb that waterfall. Yeah. Nature is beautiful! 3 cheers for nature! 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 This is totally awesome! And nature's fun, too! Well, that's the end of this nature video. See you next time!